Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered whether cinnamon is hot or cold for your body? Some people say it heats you up, while others claim it balances your system. So what's the truth? Today, I'll dive into Ayurveda and modern science to uncover the real nature of cinnamon, how it affects your body and when you should use it. Stick around to learn how this simple spice can impact your body temperature and health. In Ayurveda, cinnamon is considered a warming spice. It increases the Agni and boosts circulation. This warming effect makes it especially beneficial in cold seasons or for people with cold-related issues like cold hands and feet, slow digestion and respiratory problems. From a scientific perspective, cinnamon contains compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which stimulate blood flow and produce a warming sensation in the body. So, when should you use cinnamon? Cinnamon's warming properties are perfect for winter months. It helps keep you warm. It's also great for digestive issues as it stimulates digestion and reduces bloating. If you're dealing with a cold or flu, cinnamon can ease congestion and boost immunity. And ladies, it might even help relieve menstrual cramps due to its warming effect. Here's a tip. Add a pinch of cinnamon to warm water, tea or honey during colder seasons for an extra boost. But when should you avoid cinnamon? Since cinnamon is warming, too much can cause heat-related problems like acidity or heartburn, mouth ulcers and skin rashes. Avoid excessive cinnamon during summer or if you experience pitta-related issues like body heat or inflammation. If you have a warm body constitution, use cinnamon in moderation. So how do you balance cinnamon's heat if you enjoy it but don't want to overdo it? Pair it with cooling foods like yogurt or milk. Use Ceylon cinnamon. It's milder than cassia cinnamon. And stick to 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day. So, is cinnamon hot or cold? It's definitely a warming spice, great for winter and digestion, but best used in moderation. What's your favorite way to use cinnamon? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you next video. Take care, and bye-bye.